If you shoot travel or vlog content, this transition will definitely come in handy. Add the video to the timeline. Find a moment where an object completely covers the frame. We will create the transition using this object by applying a mask. Move the clip to the second track. Place the second clip underneath. Find the starting point of the mask animation. Switch to color. Select window and click the pen icon. Also activate this icon. In the keyframes panel, enable keyframes. Draw the mask. Move to the next frame and shift it. Repeat this operation for each frame. Create an alpha output and connect our node to it. Select all keyframes and soften the mask edges. Done.